Hello, greetings from the fatherland. So, something that perhaps will interest some people is, some people have interest in knowing what the Chinese call Qigong and the Vedic called Pranayama. Now, in general, this means breathing work, energy work. I have some videos on energy, Germanic energy work on my channel, and I thought I would let you know what the word or the names for this in Low Saxon are and in Norse. So in Norse, to the best of my knowledge, it was called Pranayama is the Sanskrit, what they call it in Hinduism, in Vedic Hinduism or whatever. And in the Norse would have called it Pusta Anda. Pusta Anda. Pranayama Pusta Anda. That's Norse and Vedic. You can see how they're distant cousin languages. And then the Low Saxon name for this, of this energy work, what we call it in Nedersassen, is Pusten Amen. Pusten Amen. So you have Vedic Sanskrit, Pranayama, you have the Chinese Qigong, you have the Norse Pusta Anda, you have the Low Saxon Pusten Amen. And it all means the same thing: breath work, life, force, energy. So just some interesting thing that many people don't know, what the Germanic people used, the term they use, what they called pranayama or qigong, which is the more modern terms that are used, or I generally just call it life, force, energy, or energy work, because that is the most popular known terms. To